Hi, I'm Richard Felson, Product Manager from TCL Electronics and New Zealand. Today I'm going to show you how to use Stan on your TCL Android TV. Basically, Stan does come preloaded on our TV, so you don't have to do much. You simply go into Stan, you'll log in if you need to log in, and you now have access to all of Stan's wonderful content. But let me show you something else. You don't even need to use your remote control to access Stan. So let's go back to the home page. So all you need to do, okay Google, launch Stan. There you go. So just by using your voice, you can get into all your favorite apps. You've got instant access to your Stan. For more exciting tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.